In this video, I'll be teaching you how to download videos from Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So let's go. Let's start with the Instagram. So you're gonna open your Instagram, go to any video that you might want to download, click on the three dots, find a link and copy it. When you're done copying the link, head over to your browser, whatever browser you might use. I'm using Chrome. On this website, you have to paste the link from Instagram in this website. The link is on the description below for the website, and then just click download and wait for it to load. It will do it in a couple of seconds, and there we go. Find download at the bottom, click download, and your video should be downloading. Now all you have to do here is rename your video, call it whatever, and after that you can select where you want to save it and click download when you're done, and your video should be downloading, and it could take a couple of seconds. And after that you can just click play and open your video, and it should be ready. And that's about it. The video will now be displayed in your gallery. It is saved in your phone, and you can share the video with your friends or share it in any social media that you want. It's all yours now. Heading over to Facebook, the process is still the same. Go to your video, find a video that you might like, and find a link of that video, paste it on the website for Facebook, and it is different from the Instagram one, and it will be found on the description below. Again, you paste the video, click download, wait for the video to download, and again click download at the bottom. In this website you can select what quality you want the video to be. Obviously you want it to be as high as possible. Again, rename the video, save it whatever you want to save it, click download after that, and voila, the video will be now on your phone. And for Twitter, the process is still the same. I'll paste the link on the description below where you can download your videos, your Twitter videos. So, and that's about it. Hope you learned something new today, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.